This is Professor Rafael Corbalan, and I will be teaching this class this summer. In this video, basically, I want to go over the web page that we are using for this, Blackboard. And this is a fully online class, so we don't meet at BMCC, but we have everything online. So I wanna show you how the class works, and if you have any questions, please come to see me during my office hours. Spanish 106 basically is the continuation of 105, and let me explain to you how it works with the folders that we have on the left. The first one we have here is announcements and weekly guide. In this is the first page that you see when you open Blackboard, and here is a description of the class. Here you have the video I'm taping right now. It's going to be posted right here. Also, you have the Mask Monday that we have at BMCC in case that you want to go to the college. This is basically, what you have to do. And also you have here the folders that we have for every week. So in the first week you have these two folders. The second week I will post the folders for the second week, and so on. I will continue posting until the end of the semester in the 6th week. I will explain later to you how to do the assignments and how to deal with this. But first, let me continue with the folders we have on the left. The second folder is course information. Here you have the guide that we have for this particular class. But the guide basically is all the assignments that we're doing during the semester. So you will have it there by weeks. So in case that you want to know what is happening in that particular week, you just open the guide and read it. Okay. Also, you have the syllabus. The syllabus is the official syllabus for all the colleges at CUNY. It's the same information that you have in the guide, but it's in a different format. Okay. And also you have here the grading system I'm going to use for this class. The lab is going to be 10% of the grade. Videos is going to be, I will explain to you later how you do the videos, is 20%. Then we have the homework, including oral exercises, writing exercises, discussion board is 30%. Then you have 3 quizzes, 3 examinations during the semester. I'm going to drop the lowest score, and I will drop the lowest score, or if you miss one of the tests, that will be the one drop. That's 20% of the grade. And the final examination is going to be 20%. Also, we have here the textbook. The textbook is free in this class. You don't have to pay for this. But basically it's divided in 3 sections. This is the material you need for the first examination. This is what you need for the second. And this is what you need for the third examination. The way you do this, the way you prepare for the test, is reading the grammar that you have in the textbook, plus watching the videos I'm posting on different topics during the semester. Okay. Now, also you have here information about me, about the professor teaching the class. This is me, Rafael Corbalan. You have here the telephone number at BMCC. I will not be using this phone during the summer, but you have here 2 emails that you can use to contact me if you need to. Okay. And also you have here my office hours during the summer. This semester is going to be Tuesdays from 9 to 10:30 a.m. Tuesdays, and on Thursdays from 9 to 10 a.m. Okay, so if you need to talk to me for any reason, just stop by these office hours, click here, this link, and that will take you to Zoom, and during these times I will be there. Okay. Here you have also resources. You have different web pages and links that takes you to tutoring classes, to grades, to Spanish resources. So just take a look when you have a minute, okay? Now, if we go back to the class, I mean, you will see that usually this class is 15 weeks long, but in summer is compressed. In summer, what students do in 15 weeks, you're going to do it in 6 weeks. So you will see that, for example, for the first week you have 2 folders, the second week you have 3 folders, and then at the end we will have the 15 folders that makes a regular semester. But anyway, the way it works is you open, for example, this folder right here. You click right here. Here explains what we're doing in the class, and then you have in green here the videos that this is grammar videos, and this is vocabulary videos. Okay, so for example, if you open this, you will see that you have here 2 videos. One video is on the direct and indirect object pronouns for that particular week. and then you have pronouns after prepositions, which are two different topics. Okay, so you click right here and you watch the videos. Okay, also you have reviews here. These are exercises that you can use to go over to practice a little bit on these two topics, and also you have here links. Okay, links are other videos I took from the internet that you can use. These are taught by other professors that you can use to basically to go over the same topic but with a different professor, different format. Okay, in case that you want to do that. So when you have to prepare a test, make sure that you read the textbook, you watch the videos, and also you have links and you have reviews to prepare for those tests. Okay. Now, if we get back here to the folder, you will see these are grammar, these are vocabulario. The vocabulary, you have a video here which explains these words right here. It gives you the spelling, it gives you the description and so on. And also you have here another video on reading. On reading, basically we have an exercise. It's called comprehension, and it's a paragraph. In this video, I read it in English, I translate it in Spanish, and I talk about different things about the grammar used in that particular paragraph. My suggestion is before doing the exercises, watch the video first, because that will give you a lot of information on how to do the exercise. Okay. Now, if we get back here, what you do basically is you watch these videos first. You watch the videos on the grammar, you watch the videos on the vocabulario, and then you take a quiz here. It's a quiz. Every class, every folder has a quiz, and the quiz basically is to show me that you watched the videos, that you understood what was happening in the class, and then you will have a grade. So if you see that you are missing too many questions, that tells you that you have to go back and read the textbook and go over these videos and so on. Okay, so this is basically to see how you're doing, and if you see mistakes, don't worry too much about the grade, but just go over, make sure that you go over the mistakes that you made. Now, and then we have here tareas, it's homework. Okay, the homework basically includes the discussion board. You will see that this before you open this, you will see that it tells you these exercises has to be done in Spanish, the lab has to be done in Spanish, and the discussion board is the only thing that you can do in English. Okay. Also, you have here videos in which I explain how to do these exercises. So if you watch the videos, we'll explain to you how to do these exercises. But let me go briefly on that. Let's talk about the discussion board a little bit. So the discussion board is the only exercise that you can do in English. You have here videos on different countries. It's about the culture of Hispanic countries. So you have El Salvador, you have Spain, Ecuador, and so on. So you watch these videos right here, and then you have here instructions on how to do it. So once you watch the videos and you read instructions, what you do is you open the week, and then you create a thread. The create a thread means you answer the questions. Now, when you finish with answering the questions, you also have to read what your classmates did, and at least you have to answer to 2 of your classmates. Okay, and then you just move. I still have to put this for the summer. This is in a regular semester. So, and then also you have the lab. Okay. The lab, as I say, it's something that you have to, it's a voice thread, and when you open this, you have the instructions right here, and then the lab, when you click right here, and basically you have to choose, in this particular case for the lab, you have to do the video, okay? And then in other exercises, you have to do the recording your voice, and ABC is when you have to answer in writing. So you have exercises for comprehension, you have exercises for reading, or you have exercises for writing, or you have exercises to speak. So depends on the exercise that you have to use ABC. You have ABC for writing, this is for recording your voice, and the labs always with video. Okay, so in this particular case, you will answer this with a video. Okay. Now, let me get back to the class, but let me get back to, because you get into VoiceThread, you cannot go back. So let me just go back to my class. Okay. Now, the second group of exercises that you have is exercises, is also VoiceThreads. You will see that you have the same thing we did with the lab. You have one is comprehension. Remember, this exercise on comprehension, I told you when you do the vocabulario, is something called reading. It's the same one. So, but in this case, in comprehension, you can answer this when you do the voice. You can do it orally, or you can do it in writing, as you prefer. Okay. If you want to practice more in writing, you answer the questions in writing. Or if you want to do speaking, you do it, or you can do it also orally, so you can use the mic. And this one is for speaking. This is if you want, in this case, you will have to do an exercise that you have to practice speaking in Spanish. And this one is on writing. So in this case, your answer has to be with ABC. Let me open one of them, and I will explain to you basically how it works. Again, as I said, these exercises, you have a video in which I explain how to do it. But again, let me just go briefly on this. So when you open, for example, this one, which is on speaking, you will see that this is a PowerPoint presentation. So what you do is you have to click here in this arrow right here, and this will move. Here explains to you that you have to use the mic, right? And then you keep working like that. So, and then you will have the questions. So, ¿le gusta usted comer ensalada? Do you like to eat salad? So what you do, and this is a speaking exercise. Remember, habla means speaking. So what you do is you click right here, and then you click the mic, you record your answer, and then you move on to the next one. So how you move on to the next one? You click here, and then it gives you another question, and then you just go one by one. Okay. Now, this is the class. This is the class that we have for this semester, and again, just go over, practice a little bit, and if you have any questions, make sure that you come to see me during my office hours, and I can go over with you. Don't forget, these exercises. When you do the exercises, you have a video there, a video that goes over and how to do, the exercises, the lab, or the discussion board. Okay, so. See you in class, and I hope you will have a wonderful semester.